Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Virgos for the month of February 2026. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So let's see, in this reading we'll see the overall energy for the month of February for Virgos. The key obstacles or challenges, actions or advice, your strength and opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guided message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. Okay. So let's see what do the cards have for you, Virgo. Overall energy for Virgos for February 2026. Overall energy for Virgos, please. Overall energy for Virgos, please. Okay, we have one card. All right. Okay, now let's see what are the key obstacles we have for you. Key obstacles or challenges for Virgo. All right, please clarify 10 of swords. Please clarify 10 of swords as the key challenges for Virgo. Please clarify 10 of swords as the key challenge for Virgos. Obstacles and challenges for Virgos. Please clarify 10 of swords. All right. Okay. Now let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. Second. Sorry. Okay. What are the actions or advice we have for Virgos? Actions or advice for Virgos. Whoa. Too many energies with dealing with the lot. One sec. Sorry. Okay. Actions or advice for Virgos, please. What's happening? The cards are just falling off. Okay. Oh my dear cards, what is happening? Okay, we'll take this. Please clarify Queen of Swords as the actions or advice for Virgos. See, this never happened in the last readings I have done. Queen of Swords. Please clarify Queen of Swords for Virgos as the actions or advice. Please clarify Queen of Swords for Virgos as the action or advice. Okay, I think one card flipped. Okay, got it. Alright, let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for you, Virgos. Strength and opportunities for Virgos for February. Wow. You are definitely dealing with a lot of stuff. Let's see. Okay. Please clarify 6 of Wands. Please clarify 6 of Wands. Please clarify 6 of Wands for Virgos as the strength. Okay, let's see what's the probable outcome we have for Virgos. Probable outcome for Virgos in February. The cards are either coming out in bulk or they're just falling off. Okay. Probable outcome for Virgos, please. Probable outcome for Virgos, please, for February. Alright. Okay. Please clarify 10 of Wands for Virgos as the probable outcome. Okay, got it. So bottom of the deck we have the 8 of cups. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy basically, Virgo, is your subconscious energies, or the energies which you are, feeling or dealing with lately, but you are not necessarily talking about it or acknowledging it. Okay, so this card is basically telling me that you're walking away from something. Okay, it can be a connection, it can be a workplace. Just hold on. Yep. So it's like you're walking away from something. Now it can be a workplace or it can be a relation, okay, which is not making you feel emotionally satisfied or emotionally fulfilled. Okay, it's like now sorry, now you are ready to explore something new. You are ready to walk, or you want to, you want to leave a particular situation, or a place or a group. It can be, for some of you, an old friend circle where you don't feel you belong anymore, or you don't feel that emotional connection, emotional support. There is something, a space, a lack kind of energy is what I'm getting here, and you are now ready to walk away from that energy. Okay, from that लैक वाली एनर्जी है ना, उससे आप आगे, आपको बाहर निकलना है. ओके, नाउ इट कैन बी इन सर्च ऑफ दैट स्पेस की हाउ यू कैन फील दैट इमोशनल सेटिस्फैक्शन, वेयर यू विल गेट दैट इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट, दैट एनर्जी ऑफ बीइंग सीन एंड हर्ड एंड अंडरस्टूड. Maybe you are walking or looking for that kind of person or a connection or a place subconsciously, and you are kind of ready to walk towards something and walk out from something which is not giving you or making you feel emotionally fulfilled or satisfied. Okay, is what I'm getting here. Now overall energy for you, Virgo, I see is in the month of February, there will be some situations where things may not go how you plan or how you expect the things to be. Maybe it can be some people may not behave how you expect them to behave, and there will be then clashes. There are ego clash happening. I see there are disagreements happening, I'm seeing, and there can be some situations where the one person may try to pull the other person down just because the ego is given more importance. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that you need to understand whether the fight is more important or the connection is more important. Okay, so just try to understand, and only after keeping these things in mind get into that discussion or argument. Okay, I would say that try to keep yourself away from unnecessary conflicts, office politics also for some of you, and unnecessary conflicts, drama and disagreements. And don't try to how do we say it, ki you don't have to always have an upper hand. Okay, sometimes it's like if the connection is more important, it's okay to keep quiet, right? So just try to focus on that, try to figure a middle way out where you need to understand sometimes it's not the issue versus the partner, it's not the partner against the partner, it's like the issue versus the partner as team, right? So just keep that in mind. It can be in your workplace that you may not agree with your colleagues or with your team members, and there can be some misunderstandings or disagreements. So you don't have to always have an upper hand. Try to create a balance and deal with the situation with much more maturity. Don't give importance to the ego, satisfaction of your ego, but try to be humble, be gentle, be kind. And if others are trying to hurt you, just try to see whether do you really want to spend your energy in that particular discussion, or you can just ignore it. Okay, बाद में अपने आप ही ठीक हो जाएंगे, right? उस तरह की energy है. So that is what I'm getting here for you in the month of February, Virgos. Now the obstacle here I'm seeing for you is something happened, something ended, which is not so easy to deal with. Okay, a painful end of a situation is what I am getting, and you are not overcoming from that pain. Okay, maybe because of that you want to move away, in search of that emotional satisfaction. Something is definitely, something has definitely ended in a painful way, and now you are emotionally closed, because I don't see any emotions being given importance. Rather you are being logical, you are being very clear and blunt in your communication. For some of you, it can be for very few and specific of you, that you are now too maybe guarded, that you don't want others to, actually see what you're going through, or what you're trying to hide from them. Okay, and because of that you are constantly having that fight, maybe a fight between your head and heart. Your heart is still stuck in a connection which ended, or a betrayal, or something which was very painful to deal with. You are still stuck there, and your mind is like, no, I am focused on my work, I am focused on my, on my growth, I am very logical, I am confident, nothing can beat me. But deep down you are stuck in a connection, you are stuck in a situation where you are not able to overcome from that pain. Okay, now for some of you, for very few and specific of you, it can be pain of a connection where you were emotionally involved, because I'm strongly sensing it's this connection, right? जहाँ पे आपको emotional satisfaction मिल रही थी, that connection ended, and now you are stuck in that thing, whatever ended in a painful way, and now you are walking away in the search of that same emotional connection which ended. Okay, so it can be for very few and specific of you. Okay, so see how it resonates with you. Don't force it on yourself, it's not resonating, but yeah, this is what I'm getting here happening. All right, so just try to understand that whatever has happened. You don't have to be in this stuck energy. Okay, try to set yourself free from that pain. Okay, because if you hold on too tight, it will be too difficult for you to heal yourself, right? So just release whatever is heavy on you to deal with. Just release it. You can write it down, burn it out, you can talk to yourself about it, and don't run away from your own emotions. Okay, is what also I'm getting here for you, Virgos. Now the actions or advice here for you is, again, as I said, something ended. It's a death card. Death card is not the actually death thing, it's basically the end of something. Okay, so this is confirmed by the 10 of swords, something which has ended, and something which was meant to end, so that you can be more clear on what you want, you can be more clear on where you are headed to, or where you want to move towards, right, in your life going forward, is what I'm getting. So jo bhi confusions tha, whatever confusions were there, whatever that fog has now cleared, and you need to think logical, you need to see logic, you need to have foresightedness, you need to think logically, and you need to be very clear in your communication. At the same time, I see that you are because of this thing, so many things have changed. Maybe the way you see things have changed, your perception has changed towards something, maybe your perception has changed towards emotions. Okay, but there is something which has ended, and that end has brought a change in you, and mainly I'm seeing that change in seeing the things, the perception has changed. At the same time, I also see that you need to be more logical and more clear in your communication. Don't what do you say, don't try to be a people pleaser. Okay, that is what also I am getting here. Set your boundaries, be very clear on what you will tolerate and what you will not tolerate, and focus on moving ahead, because the strength is what I am getting here, that jo bhi challenge hai, you will overcome that, and you will have you will come out as someone to whom people will look as someone who doesn't give up, and people will celebrate your success. Okay, it can be you are maybe you were working on a project, and now you have worked very hard on it, and now you got the success and people are celebrating it for you. You are coming out as someone who is having that leadership skill, and someone who is not afraid of obstacles. And at the same time, you have to keep in mind, right, कि जो भी चैलेंज है आप उसको ओवरकम कर लोगे, राइट, बट एट द सेम टाइम कीप इन माइंड दैट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इनटू अननेसेसरी ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स और ड्रामास, राइट. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर गोल. जो भी आपका चैलेंज है आपके वर्क प्लेस में, आपके लाइफ में जो भी चैलेंज है, यू हैव टू बी रेडी टू फाइट एंड मूव. बोलते हैं ना, तूफान से अगेंस्ट में आपको जाना है, राइट. तो वही तो एग्जैक्ट चैलेंज होता है, करेक्ट. सो यू नीड टू be fearless, be a fighter, and don't be in this energy that I can't do anymore, because I see that you might be dealing with a lot of stuff. okay? So even if you are dealing with so much, don't give up, okay? You are almost there and you will get the success. I also see that there can be so many responsibilities you may be handling, maybe work life, your personal life, your your mental health, emotional health, physical health, everything. So you're dealing with everything a lot, and deep down you're feeling drained. For some of you it can be, you might feel the back pain kind of thing physically. You might feel drained and exhausted. So take some time off, try to distribute things and try to prioritize things, okay? Not everything can be important at the same time, right? So try to differentiate, try to understand what is important and what is required to be focused right now, and what you can keep for later, okay? So just try to differentiate, or set priority, okay? I also see that you may have to meet people. If you have isolated yourself and if you're not talking about your stress to anybody else, it will ultimately impact your physical health and mental health and emotional health altogether, right? So just try to speak to people. Maybe you may meet someone who can help you make, maybe distributing your work at your workplace. Maybe you might meet your senior, you might have a team where you can distribute the work according to the skills, and you can reduce your burden. I also see for some of you, you might meet someone who will help you understand how you can deal with this stress. It can be now a spiritual guru, a mentor, a guide, and for very few and specific of you, a counselor who will help you to have a proper plan, that this is how you should focus on things. Or you also need to have a proper plan and proper strategy. As I said, distribute karo kaam ko, you need to set priorities, and accordingly you have to give importance to the things. At the same time, work is not the only thing to be focused on. Rather, you have to focus on your health, your family, everything. Just try to have a proper balance, a proper strategy on how you're planning to deal with this kind of situation. So overall month for you Virgos, I see that you just need to focus on releasing what has gone, okay? Talk about it. Maybe this card is also about talking about what is holding you back. As I said, for some of you it can be meeting a counselor or somebody who will not judge you for whatever you're going to express or share, right? So just try to differentiate between things. Try to understand what is important and what can be kept for later. Don't get into unnecessary conflicts and arguments, and release yourself from whatever is gone, okay? Rather, try to focus on your well-being, your emotional health, your physical health and mental stress. Okay, so this is the energy for you Virgos for the month of February. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.